So we're actually filming before Teen Wolf actually starts today. Be proud of us and our time managing abilities. At least I can manage time and in relation to my YouTube channel, because I can't manage time in relation to my schoolwork apparently.
Well,
sorry.
Other than not being able to manage time at all. So.
That's true. Sorry that the videos were so late last week, but we now have a fancy end screen. I hope that was decent compensation, because I was pretty proud of myself for figuring out how links work. I have nothing to say. I'm still angry, I'm still worried. No more prepared than I was at the end of last week, just more resigned and more tired. So we'll try and make this entertaining, even though I'm already emotionally dead inside, so. I'm Brittany.
I'm Hillary.
And this is Teen Wolf Season 3B, Episode 8, Echo House. No, we're already leaving. No! No. Do not want. Dislike.
You can't start us with this.
Oh no, apparently they can. Great advertising.
So subtle.
So
subtle.
Wow.
Nope, I'm not ready for this.
No.
Your hair is looking fab though. Just throwing that out there.
I can't start crying this early in the episode.
No, it's actually not surprising that. I saw an MRI. It looked exactly. You can. You have to do something for me, okay?
No!
Make sure I never get out.
No!
Does not like.
Aggressively disagrees. With this decision!
2 hours, there's no phone calls, no emails, no visitors. We will be taking you
Ugh,
from here to
screw you for that parent guardian signature line.
assessed by a staff psychologist.
Stop. Enough.
No!
I'm not feeling it.
Allison, you are looking A+ in those overalls.
What's the transgender girl look like?
Let me pull up this Polaroid I have of it. Thanks, Deaton.
Something like this.
Oh, okay. Is it part of the finger?
2 hours, everything you used to phone.
What?
Accident that occurred
That's
is
brilliant.
taken care of.
You're seriously referring to that as an accident?
Is it Monday? There's a much higher rate of suicide on Mondays.
You...
Hey,
I have no words for you. How dare you put that joke in? I hate you. All of you. You did not go to sleep. At all. Great.
Yeah, I can't sleep without
One of them is standing right behind me.
That.
One of them! One of them! There's more than one. One of them.
Maybe it is.
This
One of those
dude.
people then.
This dude.
Up the alley.
Oh. Okay. Hey!
Hey.
Whoa! What? Right, okay.
But we got lucky with Jackson.
Jackson! We speak about
When
him.
you don't get lucky.
You ever heard of the Berserkers?
Yes.
Like warriors. They wear the skins of bears to channel their ferocity.
They didn't just wear them.
I love when we talk history
A
and
couple
myths,
years ago, a family
legends.
came to us for help with their son.
Did you feel any remorse? Putting Styles down?
Styles, yes.
The pause.
But not in against him.
Timberg figure. You appear on lightning strike victims. The fact that they're appearing on you after a shot of wolf, stay awake.
You are simultaneously awesome and evil, and I'm not sure how I feel about you. Also, last time one of my favorite characters had to stay awake, that ended really well. That was Sam Winchester being possessed by Satan.
Thanks for that fond memory there. That's lovely. Don't go through the door.
Enter television. Don't open it! Don't open it! No! What have we learned about opening doors?
It's gonna be locked. Be locked.
Better be locked.
Be locked.
Praise Jesus. Praise Jesus.
One of me's getting very good at playing tricks.
No!
I think I'm to the point where if something happens, I'm just gonna start laughing hysterically and not gonna be able to stop.
I'm gonna go into that like hysterical sort of laughter where tears just come down my face, but my sobs sound sort of like hysterical, like Of course I let myself get this invested in a show that would do this to me. Of course.
Well, it's not like in season 1 you knew this was gonna happen.
No, I didn't know.
Because it was just like, oh
it's
no,
just,
am I going to play in the lacrosse game or am I not going to play in the lacrosse game?
It's just fate. It's fate that I would only be attracted to a show that would eventually turn out to be something like this. Yo!
That escalated
Don't worry,
quickly.
Styles.
Leave. No, leave! Go! Walk! No! No, Styles!
No, I'm not.
What are you doing? The reason my sister and mother are dead is because I almost ate them on a full moon. Thank you so very much.
A+.
And when the driver gets out to help,
We tackle.
no! We distract him.
Who is it?
So either I'm going to congratulate you on recently passing the bar,
Peter?
or I should
Gerard?
be worried about something.
No! No! I don't like that lady here. Get that lady away from everyone.
Should I know who that is?
That's the girl who cut off Peter's finger in episode 1. Who was just like, honk. No, I don't like her. I don't like her around.
Oh.
I do.
No.
I always loved the sarcastic ones. Give him 5 alcohol.
Butt shot! I meant butt camera shot, but then I realized that they gave him a shot, and I was much less satisfied with that joke. Kara! Hello, Kara. Oh, A+ pants. I want them.
She always has great outfits.
Because of my mother.
I like.
Watch me be badass. Be aroused. Be aroused, Scott. Let me seduce you with my knife fighting skills. Oh, that was an A+ shot. Nope.
Why are you gonna walk?
No, it's the locker scene again. No. No. Don't.
Where they keep the real psychos.
That sounds lovely.
I was close. I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous about all of this. Oh God.
Let's get out of here.
Yo.
Snap.
Who did that? Did we do that?
They didn't do that.
Kira. Oh, okay. They did something. No, Parrish.
I hunt.
Oh wow, I didn't see that joke coming. A+. Who called it? I did.
The scroll inside this prosthetic finger is worth 3 million.
Give me the finger. You know what I mean?
Jesus, Scott. That was just so poorly executed. Kira! That was also poorly executed. Oh God.
Why do we do this to ourselves? Why? No.
I won't judge. Promise.
Oh, I love her. I like her. She can stay. Hey, let's not do this. Do not touch my girlfriends. Plural. Hey, where did the twins go? Scott, now would be a good time to tap in some of that true alpha power.
Yeah.
You know, you are the true alpha.
I mean, maybe he's just carrying on in Derek's trend of being a crabby fighter.
Yeah.
Here.
There we go. Oh, can we get more morphy morph? Morph. I don't know why that was so eloquent coming out of my mouth. The morphy morph. Oh, is it coming? Morph, go. No? Okay. Thank friends.
Just tell me if they're fading.
Yeah, take your shirt off.
Yeah, they're almost gone.
No!
No. That's not a good thing.
Oh, there we go.
That's
instead?
Nope. 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 Don't. No. They did it. Neither of you are in the right mental state for this. I don't know. My emotions are doing so many different things. I don't know if I'm okay with this or not. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh no. Oh God. Oh no. Oh God. Oh no. No. Oh no.
Try something else.
Oh no. No. Oh no.
Whoa!
You're like
That
mentally
escalated
9.
quickly.
You're gonna break my neck. I'm sorry, I need your pillow.
Ethan, Aiden!
I'm so sorry.
Come after us.
I'm so sorry.
Scott?
I'm
We've
not.
seen guys like this. Trust us, he's dangerous.
So are we.
You didn't hit me.
No, I just like
Cracked my neck twice. Just don't pass
We're
out.
here to save.
I'm gonna vomit.
Please don't.
That's a body. I'm fairly certain that's a body.
Oh. Oliver, what are you doing?
The biggest one you will ever see. The 2014 MTV Movie Awards, coming Sunday, April 13th.
Next on Wolf Watch, it's an exclusive sneak peek of this season's final 4 episodes.
You okay? Brittany, you okay?
Let me in.
Who is it?